Now today we're going to make another variation of pork and beans. You start off by taking about half of a package of kielbasa. Just want to cut that small little pieces, little slices. Now you want to take 1 can of pork and beans. This recipe really isn't for vegetarians, but if you choose to follow any dietary restrictions, you can just use regular beans. Make sure your kielbasa is all beef though. You want to add that in there. Add some onions, about 1/4 cup. 2 tablespoons of mustard. About a teaspoon of garlic. You just want to mix that in there. Simmer it on low. Also, if you'd like to add some bacon to this, go right ahead. And there you go, another variation of beanie weenies.